Alright, now we are going to discuss the building blocks. Now you might be thinking, what is the building blocks? So basically these are the saved objects or elements that you can use throughout your document. For example, if you want to insert a cover page or labels or image spacing. So it's a very useful feature and can save you a lot of time. So to insert those building blocks, we can go to the Insert tab here and we can see the quick parts right here. So here we can see this building blocks organizer right here. So for example, you want a references kind of template, you want to work with citations, bibliography, and many other things. We can see a cover page as well. These are the galleries. So we can choose a cover photo. For example, I choose this one. Let's insert this. So as I inserted this, it will be displayed as a first page of the document. Similarly, we want a specific kind of template. For example, we want a banded sidebar. So we can easily insert this one as well. We can go to the quick parts here, go to the building blocks organizer, and let's search and actually arrange by name. And let's search for, let's say, banded. You want to check the banded. This one is banded sidebar. So we want to use this. So let's click on insert and we can see that a beautiful sidebar appears here. So it might take you a lot of time to design this sidebar on your own. So we can use these elements to quickly shape our document. We can easily change the formatting of it. And these are all the sample titles and text which we can easily change. Similarly, we have a lot of functions here. We can see that we have calendar 1, 2, and different type of calendars are here. So it depends on whatever we want. We can insert that. And actually there is a lot of things to explore. So what you can do is you can explore all of these functions and just take a note of it, whatever is useful for you, because this can result in a huge time saver for you.